Yo, it's Midas. Let's talk about how to do crypto taxes. I know it's tax season right now, so this is a guide to recording your crypto transactions. So disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes. Make sure to do your own research. So what do you need to record? Well, this is all crypto transactions, whether it's staking, unstaking, buys, sells, trades, using crypto to buy something like buying an NFT or just buying any product or anything in the world with crypto, transfers between wallets, mining rewards, and even if you sell at a loss, you need to record those losses. Now, what platform can you use? So in Wealthsimple, I'm based in Canada. I use Coinly personally, and I feel like it has the best UI, the easiest to use. Not sure how it is for people in the US, but I primarily use Coinly. I know Coinbase has their own built-in calculator, like called the crypto tax calculator. The UI is a bit different, a bit harder to use, and there are some other crypto tax calculators that are available, but I'd personally avoid using free ones. Some of them may not be legitimate, like they grant access to your wallets or are not reliable, so you can't really trust them. And be aware of transaction limits. So most crypto tax calculator platforms have a set free limit of 1,000 transactions before you have to pay. I'm more worried about those of you guys that are doing a lot of meme coin trading or just trading in general with crypto, because traders who have 5,000 plus transactions, which is quite easy when you're trading every day, you'll have to pay 300 plus for those documents. Now, for how to use Coinly to record taxes, this is pretty similar to honestly every crypto tax calculator, but it might be a bit of a difference. So you first sync your wallet, just give access to your transaction history. It doesn't tell them about any of what you hold and they can move anything. They just have access to your transaction history. Most wallets are supported by these crypto tax calculators. So if not, then just move it to a wallet that is supported. After adding all wallets to your history, they will show up on the dashboard. So you can add multiple wallets all at once. They'll keep syncing. And then from here, the overview of all your wallets and transaction history, what you hold, your cost bases, unrealized gains, the income and expenses, and the trading fees will all be listed in this dashboard. And from there, after you add all your wallets and it shows up in your dashboard, this will generate your tax report if you don't go over the transaction limit, listing out your capital gains, your income, and this will also determine how much of a tax return you get back from the government. Just a warning, but do not try to game the system. The only way to buy crypto is through CEXs, which are centralized exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. They know when you buy slash sell crypto. And if you get caught money laundering, the penalties are just not worth just paying the taxes. Like I've heard people try to send Solana to like different wallets in exchange for um, USDC or just cash in person, say they lost the funds. That's quite risky, and I would not advise doing that because if they just track those transactions, they're all on the blockchain, everything's quite transparent. This could lead to money laundering, and the penalties are very significant. So yeah, this is just how to do your crypto taxes. Watch this video every single tax season, but it's quite simple nowadays because of cryptos being so centralized and so popular by the common people. They decided to create these crypto tax calculators. It was a lot harder back in 2021, which is where you didn't really know how to record these transactions. So yeah, that's all for today. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.